Are you having problems with your ChatGPT conversations not showing? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. I have actually had this exact same issue a couple of times, so basically I have found one way to fix this, and this seems to be the only way to fix this as of right now, just so you know. So as you can see, I'm currently on my ChatGPT account right now, which is perfect. So what I need to do when I am on my ChatGPT account and like it is not working, my conversations is basically not showing up. Well, what I need to do is to just simply click where it says log out here firstly, so click on log out, and as you can see, I'm now taken to this page right here, which is great. What I need to do in here is to simply click where it says log in once again. And then I'm just going to continue with Google in here and then log back into my ChatGPT account. And as you can see, I am on like my ChatGPT account again here. And basically what I need to do after that is to just click once again where it says new chat and then try again basically, because this should actually solve your issue, just so you know. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.